Okay.
Okay, no problem. Please
Where
tell
are
me.
you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Where?
I am I am from
Bangladesh.
yeah. I'm talking. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I
that.
I I have in Bangladesh.
Oh, thanks. So first of all, I say, what is this? What is
How old
this?
are you?
I am 16 years old, and
Ah, so you're so young.
yeah, of course, I am so young. And what is this?
No, you're single.
Yeah, I know.
You're single.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know. I'm single.
yeah.
And
I
what
know.
what is this?
Yes. Do you like sing?
Yeah? Tell me again. What did you say? I can't hear you properly. Oh,
Oh, any song?
no, 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 no.
Any song?
You listen to me any song,
What
okay?
is song?
You listen to me any song.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll sing for you. Through a light cannot bright lives into my heart and we your body needs to mine. Let me fill your soul with all my dreams. You're a man, I'm a woman. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so fine. Be my lady of the night. For a man, I'm a woman. You're my fortune on the face. This is something sweet and stuff. Thank you for listening.
Okay. May I know what's your religion?
Catholic. Catholic.
Oh, I don't know. Okay,
My religion is Catholic.
actually I don't know. So you tell me.
You, Muslim.
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
You're Muslim?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. I know. Yes.
Can you?
Yes. Roman.
Yeah.
Roman Ahmed.
Ruman Ahmed. My name is Ruman
Roman
Ahmed.
is Muslim.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. What?
Do you like travel any country?
No.
But why? You are a good singer.
I don't have
Oh, I got it. You don't have a money.
money. What's your voice? I cannot hear you properly.
Okay, no problem. I think I am having a network problem. No problem, and I think you are having a network problem. That's why you can't hear me properly. I hope you got it.
Ah,
Listen to me. Right now I have to go right now. So nice to meet you. See you again.
okay. No problem. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.